Hi, today we are going to see the weekly test of the front end development. So today I'm going to explain you the the project structure, how it's going to be. Okay, so for that I have the design in front of me. So here you can see the design. So this is Sunnyside Agency's website. Okay, so in this page, so you have to start with the header. Okay, in the header we are going to have the logo, that's like a Sunnyside. Along with that, we are going to have the other links as well, like navigation bars, like the about, services, projects, and contact us button, something like that. And after that we are going to have the one main background image with the help of the VR creatives headings. Okay, so after that, if we can take a look at the main section. So here in the main section we are going to have the different cards. Okay, so the output should be like this only. Okay, so every card should have this some text along with the images. So we are also going to provide you the images. Okay, these are the images you will get. You no need to download from the the external web pages. Okay, so in the main page, so the text should be in the left side and this egg image in the right side. And after that, we have this glass image in the left side and there are some text stand out to the right audience. This text should be in the right side. And if you can come down, so there are two other images, like the graphic design along with that. So we have the photography card. These are two different cards we are having. So in that we should have the two images like this along with that some text. Okay, so if we can go down, so here we can see the some of the clients testimonials. Okay, so here you can add your own images. Otherwise, if you do not have your own images, it's okay, you can take it from the our folder. Even we are also going to provide you the these images. Okay, these three people images. Okay, and according to that, so you can just add the testimonials as well. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to have it, so you can add the some of the own feedback. That's okay, otherwise you can take it from the web page, so you can just add the same feedback as this. Okay, so if you can come back, I mean if you can go down somehow. Okay, so here again we are going to have the main page along with some of the images. Okay, these are like a cards. Okay, you have to design 4 different cards like this. Okay, and after that, so if we can come down, so here we are going to have the footer. In the footer we should have the logo, the our agency name, that's like a Sunnyside. Along with that, so we should have the again the navigation bar, about, services, projects, something like that. Okay, along with that, so we should have the some social icons, so that you have to link your social icons like Facebook, Instagram, the Twitter, and Pinterest, something like that. So this is all about the desktop design, guys. Okay, there is another design as well for the mobile screens. Okay, this is how the desktop design is, so you have to develop accordingly. Okay, so even we are also going to provide you the design as well. Okay, that's fine. So now if you can see the mobile design, so this mobile design is going to look like this. Okay, always page should be responsiveness, guys. Okay, it should be responsive. Okay, see, so now this is going to be like this. Okay, over here, so we are going to have the same background color, but everything going to be in a straight line like this. All the content should be look like this. Okay, so here all the thing should come in a row, sorry, column direction. Okay, see, along with the testimonials as well. Okay, so now here these cards should be like a 2 it should be divided into two cards at a time. So it should be like that. And here the in the downside, in the footer, we are also having the same thing, so we can show as this as per the website design. Okay, so these are the requirements we are having for the this weekly test. Okay, so I hope you are going to do the best. So thank you so much, all the best.